The father of the Miata sadly has passed away. So the title of father of Miata is kind of shared between two people.
Yeah, Bob something, right? And then
Bob Hall.
Bob Hall and Tom Matano. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And Bob Hall he was a writer.
Automotive journalist.
Yeah, he's an automotive journalist that eventually started working at Mazda, and he spoke Japanese, which really helped him, push this idea, telling them you need to get into the two-seat roadster.
To pitch the idea to Mazda.
Lightweight sports, yeah. And then Tom Matano helped with the design and actually pushing it through. So
he's the lead designer of both the Miata and the RX-7.
And the last one he worked on was the NC1. And then they went to the NC2, which was a really big improvement over the NC1. And then the ND. And he was pretty happy with how the ND was not as heavy as the NC1. Because his hands were tied having to share the RX-8. Because the NC is an RX-8. You can actually bolt RX-8 hubs right onto it. There's a benefit to the fat pig of the Miata world, which is less than 2,600 pounds. It's 2,590 something. Miata owners call that a fat pig. It's still like 800 pounds less than a Civic, but
yeah, he's got quite the resume. So he was actually born in Nagasaki, Japan, in 1947. He finished university in Japan and moved to America on his uncle's container ship. That's how he got here.
Really?
Yep. And he worked for GM in Detroit. They moved him to Holden in Australia. He worked for BMW and Volvo in Germany, and then Mazda in Japan and in North America.
Of course, there he is in NA.
Yep.
Being the father or a father, a co-father of the Miata is a pretty good cherry on top of a pretty good working career. Pour one out for Tom Matano.
Mm-hmm.